You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn how to pronounce more vocabulary from the United States, English that is spoken in America, make sure to stay tuned about more videos for you. But here we're looking at how to pronounce this specific word, pronounced in English as American. British English and American English pronounce it the same way. American. American. Stress on the me syllable. American. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.